Can I explain the female sexual response in under 5 minutes? The female sexual response is a complex and highly individualized process that's still not fully understood by many. It's a natural part of human experience, yet it's often shrouded in mystery or misconceptions. Understanding it can help women and their partners appreciate the beauty of intimacy and connection. Many people feel like they just don't get enough education or open discussion about female sexual response. This can lead to misunderstandings, frustration, or even shame. We just don't talk about it enough, and that can make it harder for women to understand their own bodies. A lack of understanding can affect relationships and individual well-being. By addressing this topic, we hope to provide clarity and promote a healthier attitude towards sex. The female sexual response can be broken down into 4 main phases: excitement, plateau, orgasm, and resolution. During the excitement phase, increased blood flow to the genitals causes swelling and lubrication. This is also when you might start to feel more emotionally connected to your partner. The plateau phase is like a buildup, where arousal continues to increase. In the plateau phase, breathing and heart rate quicken, and muscles tense up. This phase can last anywhere from a few minutes to much longer. What happens next is the orgasm phase, which is often the most anticipated part of the experience. This is followed by resolution, where the body gradually returns to its normal state. The orgasm phase is really the moment of climax, where there's a sudden release of tension. This can feel different for everyone. Some women describe it as a powerful release, while others might experience a series of smaller climaxes. Some women can have multiple orgasms, which means they can go through the cycle of orgasm and plateau again. There are also different types of female orgasms, including clitoral, vaginal, and even nipple orgasms. It's really important to remember that every woman's experience is unique. What works for one person might not work for another. By understanding these phases and being patient with ourselves and our partners, we can deepen our connections and enjoy more fulfilling relationships. So, to sum it up, the female sexual response is complex and varied. It's made up of excitement, plateau, orgasm, and resolution phases. Every woman's experience is different, and that's what makes it so unique. If you have any thoughts or questions about the female sexual response, share them with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and keep the conversation going. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on sexual health and wellness. We're here to help you understand your body and live your best life.